Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out another best PSU for gaming, which is the Corsair RM850x. We will see how it stacks up against similar and newer PSU in terms of quality, performance, design, and value for the price. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Corsair's RM series power supplies have been an enthusiast favorite for years now. The company has developed a strong reputation as one of the leaders in reliability and warranty service for PSUs. The latest RMX line features improved components, a quiet fan, and a fantastic price point. The usual features that made the series a hit are, of course, still present. That includes 80+ gold certification, fully modular cables, and a generous 10-year warranty. We've used RMX power supplies for years and have never had an issue with any of them. Priced just slightly above competing modular 80+ gold power supplies, the RM850x features up to 850 watts of continuous power, which is more than most users will need for even multi-GPU builds. Reliability and a great balance of performance and features make the RM850x our all-around top choice for power supplies.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.